Web design services. Your website's design speaks volumes about your brand. Welcome to our site. All you need to know about our website designing service. Do not miss out. Ready? Let go. Looking to create a stunning online presence? We offer customized website design services that stand out. Our services include responsive design, websites that look great on any device, SEO-friendly, optimized for search engines to boost your visibility, e-commerce integration, sell your products online with ease, user-friendly interface, designed with your customers in mind, custom graphics and branding, unique visuals tailored to your brand. Why choose us? Because we have affordable pricing, fast turnaround, and ongoing support. Ready to get started? Contact us today at info@expertcontentus.com. We are Activite 24/7, so feel free to contact us. Transform your vision into reality with our expert web design services. Visit https://expertcontentnest.com/website-design-solutions. Thank you for watching.